Welcome to Westgate Chevrolet. Today we're taking a quick look at some of the interior and exterior features on our 2012 Chevrolet Equinox. This vehicle comes in dark gray metallic paint with chrome alloy rims. We also have our rear privacy tint, our roof rails, as well as our four-wheel drive. Now moving on to the interior of the Equinox, we'll go through a few of the driver's features, starting off with our door panel. We have a chrome door handle, lock and unlock buttons, rear window lock, front and rear automatic power window controls, and our power mirror adjustment with joystick, Pioneer speaker, as well as storage. And on the side of the seat we have our memory seat option, and power seat adjustment with power lumbar support, our gauge cluster. Off to the left we have our our radio controls, Chevrolet badge in the middle, and off to the left we have our front collision alert, lane departure warning, and cruise control. Start the vehicle. We'll see we have our front collision alert and lane departure icons up top. Then we have our infotainment screen, which displays our navigation, phone, radio, 6-station presets, our lock and unlock, and our rear child locks, climate controls, CD player underneath, and storage, 12-volt charging port at the back, our front and rear cup holders, as well as our gear selection stalk and traction control. Center console, we also have a USB port, SD card slot, and auxiliary input. The front seats are featured in black patent leather with red stitching and perforated black leather in the lower portion of the seat. On the rear view mirror we have our OnStar controls. Above that are dome lights and dome light settings, sunroof and moonroof controls, and 3 garage door openers. We also have our power liftgate controls and our sunroof and moonroof overhead. Now back onto the exterior of the Equinox, we can take a closer look at our chrome alloy rims. We also have our chrome mirror caps and chrome door handles, rain guards, that rear privacy tint, and around to the rear we have our Equinox and LT badging, dual exhaust, power activated liftgate with plenty of storage room on the inside. We also have a speaker, 12-volt charging port, and the controls to fold down the rear 60/40 split bench. Now moving on to the rear interior of the Equinox, we'll take a look at the rear passenger door panel, which also features our chrome door handle, close handle, window switch, storage, and speaker. Back of the front seats we have mesh magazine holders, and back of the center console we have a 12-volt charging port. The rear seats are featured in black patent leather with red stitching and perforated leather. And we have our fold-out center seat, which features 2 cup holders. Thank you for joining me for this video walk-around of the 2012 Chevrolet Equinox. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more daily Chevrolet videos, and we hope to see you in at Westgate Chevrolet sometime very soon.